Installing or replacing the batteries in the Breadcrumb knock system is easy. Your new battery will come with an O-ring on it, as well as a blue shrink sleeve. Both are critical to the successful use of the knock. Wetting the O-ring slightly will help slide it in. You move the battery clip out of the way, slide the pin in to the inner clip. The battery will flash. If it flashes 3 times, pull it back a little bit. Works perfect. Put on your shrink sleeve. This has to be tight around the battery to make sure that the knock works perfectly. I like to use a heat gun. If you have one, great. If not, you can use a hairdryer or even a lighter. Just make sure you get it nice and tight. That is the final element to keep these knocks together, especially with the incredible speeds that our bows and our crossbows are at these days. Testing it shows it works perfect. If you hold it for 3 seconds, flashes 3 times and the system is off. It's that easy.